day guys, welcome back to my channel Code with Tomi. This is another Python tutorial series, another video on the Python tutorial series on my channel. In this video we're going to be talking about dictionaries in Python. I know this sounds new to you guys because this is the Python tutorial for beginners. Now what's dictionaries? Dictionaries, I can say, is an implementation of data with keys and values. Let's just go straight into the practical so you guys will understand it. Now let's say we want to define a dictionary of countries. This is our dictionary. Dictionary is usually written with curly brackets. Then we press enter. Then let's say ng is Nigeria. What does this mean? This is the key, this is the value. Now when we want to implement this in another, maybe in our code later on, we'll use this key to get this value. Let's look for another country. I think BR is Brazil. Brazil. I think IN is India. India. Now these are the keys to these values. That means these are what we can use to get these values, just like key to unlock something. Now let's say we want to print this Nigeria from this dictionary. What we are going to do is print countries for a reason is not saying it. Continue and see. Print countries. Then let's say ng. Okay. Now the mistake we did is giving us invalid syntax. The mistake we did with that, we didn't put comma. When you want to add another element to a dictionary, don't forget your comma. Now let's do this. Now you see it prints Nigeria. Let me delete that so you guys see it well. Let's print it again. You see it prints Nigeria. I told you to print countries ng. Now what this means is that from the countries dictionary, go to this key, ng key. This is it. Then print the value Nigeria. Note that keys can also be numerical values. Like we can also put the key of this to be 234. Now when we tell you to print countries with the key of 234, it will still print Nigeria. You see it here, it printed Nigeria. That's basically what a dictionary is. It's very used in Python for large amount of data and stuff. And let's do something cool with it. We can also define a list as the value. Like you see that this is the key and then this is the value, but the value is just a normal string. This value can be a list. To do that, we just define a normal list with our square brackets. Let's say Nigeria, and let's give it another element. Let's say African giant, and let's give it another one. Let's say West Africa. Okay. Don't forget to add your code. Then now, when we print this, remember we said we should print countries with the key value of 234. It will print this list. Now you see that it printed Nigeria, Africa, Giant, and West Africa. It printed all the values in the list. We can also get just an element from that list. To do that, let's say we want to get only this Nigeria. We'll just tell it to print 0, the element with the index number 0. Now when we print this, we print only Nigeria. This is it. We can also tell it to print the third value. Now you see it prints West Africa. That's basically what dictionaries is about. It's just implementing large amount of data in a very good structure and then giving it keys and values. I hope you understood that. If you like the video, please don't forget to smash the like button. Please subscribe. I'll appreciate that a lot. And please turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I release new videos. And if you have any question, drop it in the comment below. I'll be sure to answer all questions. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.